much in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Home got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious.
My dick tickles, bruh.
Yo, quick plug, if y'all do like car graphic tees and would like to support your boy, I recently started this car clothing brand for car enthusiasts, and the quality of the t-shirts are fire, bro. Like, I promise you, I spent time making sure I got the best quality tees with the best quality prints, and everything is official, bro. And even the hoodies, they're nice and heavy and oversized, so they got a comfortable feel to them. But yeah, it's not no poo-poo quality, bro. But yeah, if you do want to grab one, be sure to hit the link in the description. It'll be top of the description, or you can head to the actual site, shopstreetculture.com. But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Slurii, and we back at it with another video. And in today's video, me and my homie, we're gonna be going to this little car meet hosted by this one YouTuber. I'll post him on the screen right here. He has a blue R35 and an R34, and bruh, his cars are so fucking clean. So I'm actually so hyped to go. Hopefully we see some other dope ass cars there, but I'm just gonna record like a little POV drive on the way over there. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a good video. Just relax, enjoy, get your Takis, get your snacks, get your food, and just enjoy the video,
Keep
bro.
right onto US 6 toward Long Mountain Parkway.
Yeah.
Then continue onto Long Mountain
Shut the fuck
Parkway.
up, bitch! Shut the fuck up! Hope y'all do enjoy this video, and yeah, I'm gonna cut to
Continue
when it gets.
onto Long Mountain
Shut the
Parkway.
fuck up, nigga! I'm gonna cut to when it gets a little bit more interesting, so I'm gonna catch y'all. My dick tickles, bro. Take that, pussy. Bro, these roads are shit. Low-key feels like I need some new tires, bruh. Hell nah. I heard that fucking beep. I'm out, nigga. As soon as I hear that shit, I'm out, bro. Cause these cops over here don't be playing. I hope you see my flashing, bro. Them bitch ass cops. Bro, I just chugged the fucking Starbucks coffee shit, bro. That shit that gives you diabetes, bro. Oh my fucking god. Bro, nah, I have to fucking pee so bad, bro. I think that's why my dick tickles, bro. Shit. This nigga's gonna... I knew he was gonna fucking do that shit. This butt dick ass nigga left me for dead. Fucking pussy. Go, Alex, go, nigga. Go, go. Come on, Alex, go. Let me go in front, bro. Let me go in front, little nigga. Oh, shit. That nigga bumper falling off. Oh, hell nah. Stay away from that nigga. Bro, you gonna catch a yo! Ah! Bro, somebody about to catch that bumper to the face, my nigga. Bro, oh hell nah. Bro, what the fuck? Should I go behind him? Oh, this nigga's tripping, he's going behind him. Ah! fucking finger, bro. Like this finger is like, it's like stuck right there. Like move, nigga, move. Like damn, bro. It's from fingering my girl's putt. Bro, what is this truck doing in the fucking fast lane? You bitch ass niggas. Let's go, baby. Woo! No, we got traffic. 9 minutes?
Take exit 3 onto Arch Street.
Fucking hell. Yo. I was supposed to get off? Yeah. Are you dead ass? Bro, I wasn't looking at that shit. Are you serious? Say swear, bro. Bro, say you swear.
There's traffic up there.
Bro, there's hella traffic. It says 9 minutes.
Oh, traffic?
Yeah.
How long did it say you're supposed to get there?
7:18, 12 minutes. Bro, I thought it was, I wasn't looking at the fucking GPS.
Bro, I saw all the traffic and I was like, no, he's not turning right.
Yo, fuck. I didn't know, bro. Damn, this shit look clean as fuck. You seen the GTR?
This is so nice.
You seen the GTR?
No, which one?
Look, it's right there.
I will let it come and picture right away.
You see it? It's right there. That ass. Bro, this shit looks so fucking clean. I literally, bro. That ass. Come on. Ooh, F80, F80. That shit's nice.
That's some really good flipping.
That ass, huh? Bro, it literally looks like you just make some shit in Need for Speed and just come out.
Yeah, right?
That shit. Look at the vet. That shit looks so nice, bro. The rotiforms and shit, like carbon.
Yo, he's touching the floor.
That GTR clean too. What the fuck is that, my nigga? Your sensor's faster than this?
Yeah.
Yeah, word too, bro.
I don't got turbo lag.
Yeah, word. This shit's clean too, though. Damn.
They're really fast.
Bro, this shit looks nice. This color with the white wheels, that shit's fire.
Even faster. Turbo fast.
Evo go hard too. With some black RPF ones.
Crazy.
That's it, stop.
Shit clean.
Yeah, from factory.
That shit does look crazy.
I like the intake.
Look at that. Look at the engine bay, bro. That shit kinda cool.
It's so dumb, like I'm bleeding.
You're bleeding?
Ew.
Ew.
Got herpes.
Ew. You got
Oh, I just seen
AIDS.
it in the Japan flag over there.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Shit kinda cool. Yo, this shit's crazy too, bro. God damn, got the mirror tint. Super looking fire. Oh. Nah, ain't no way. Bro, these cars are clean as fuck. Nah, white GTR, they crazy. Bro, this shit look clean as fuck. I know the plate, right? Engine number.
Yeah.
Bro, this shit looks so good on those wheels, bro. Oh my god. Fire ass F80, bro. God damn, this shit's clean as fuck.
Why are you so serious?
My fault, y'all. I ain't been recording too much because I'm still getting used to picking up the camera and just recording random shit. Yo, what's good, y'all? Real quick, I do want to say, I know I didn't record too much of the car meet. I just be forgetting to record, bro, but slowly I will be getting better at recording content. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite part was, and remember to drop a like and be sure to follow me on all my socials. And yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Peace.